Hi Tejas, how are you?
Good, thank you. So today is all about grain exporters of Australia. And before we launch into that topic, would you mind telling our viewers what Impact Stocks is and how is it helping exporters and specifically the grain exporters of Australia?
Absolutely, Tejas. Let me just share my screen.
Sure.
So, Impact Stocks has been in business for 15 plus years in Australia. We have three main lines of business. We have an online software suite to streamline the export operations of a company. Our solution can take care of the entire end-to-end process, right from order management, trade allocation, vessel bookings, compliance to shipment documentation. We also have a managed services arm which acts like a virtual back office for export companies. It's literally an export department, a virtual export department for a lot of companies, in addition to many other managed services, and an export consulting arm to help companies to streamline and optimize the supply chain processes. We have over 650 plus clients in Australia. Many of them are in the grain industry, as you can see, 284 plus, and really, some of the popular names are regular exporters of grain from Australia.
That is really impressive. 284 grain exporters are your clients. And I can see that you have more than 650 clients. And out of that 284, that is a large chunk of your clients. So you do specialize in grain exporters.
Absolutely, Tejas. Our team is very experienced in the knowledge of the importing country requirements, the Austrian compliance requirements, and we really have been working with a lot of grain exporters to execute their trade over the last many years.
Right. So this brings us to the main topic of the day. So can you tell us what's the new business model for grain exporters that you are introducing?
So Tejas, as mentioned, we know the grain industry well, been working for many years. We looked at it very closely.
Yep.
And especially the last 3 years have not been very easy for the grain industry. Many exporters have downsized their skilled export teams to cope up with these tough conditions. With less rainfall in Australia, a lot of tariffs being put by some of the large buyers, importing countries. Things have been not so easy, but things are changing. It's been reasonably good rainfall in Australia, and there's an expectation that this year's season there will be an export surplus and there'll be some grain to export.
Right.
So our grain industry clients tell us that it's been very expensive to restart and hiring full-time employees. Also, their experience has been because of the seasonality and the volatility of the industry, they're reluctant to really hire and train full-time resources to really work for, I would say, 5 to 7 months of the year. And this is where we come in. We have looked at this very closely and have refined a model and a delivery mechanism which can help these exporters in these times. The traditional model is really high fixed costs of operations, seasonal business being leading to retaining staff, training staff, importing country requirements changing, and because of the tough market conditions, a lot of people who exited the industry. It's not been easy for the exporters who are in the market to really, with the upcoming season, to be ready and be prepared for it. So what we are proposing is a very flexible model where they can call upon our managed services team when they need us. Our online platform will become the tool for transparency and visibility. Our managed services team, which is an experienced team of consultants, experience in the importing country requirements, knowledge of export processes, having the connections and networks with various packers, shipping lines, and various parties in the supply chain, and really providing them that virtual back office when they need us, and really that security and confidentiality around it. So basically, our online system, our experienced team, and a pay-as-you-go model together, it's a combination which will help the Australian exporters to really assist them in this coming season and help them to reduce their fixed overhead costs.
Right. So if I'm an exporter and what you're saying is I don't need to hire any staff, there are no fixed costs in this model. I basically speak to your team when I'm ready to start exporting, and your team will basically become my team, become virtual team, and they will process end-to-end export documentation. Is that what you're saying?
That's exactly what I'm saying. We read letters of credits, we do all documentation compliance. We ensure that the goods leave the country on time and you have the documents, compliant documents to be given to your bank so that you get paid on time and get paid faster. We will take care of the entire shipment execution.
That's really good, Manish. So do you have any examples which you can give us of if you worked with such clients before?
Yes, so let me give an example of a company, leading agricultural exporter company, which we're looking for a service provider having the knowledge and can be up and running from day one. And this company exports not only animal byproducts, grains, and oilseeds, and they were looking for a team having the knowledge and also being able to be up and running, which will assist them to focus on their business, and the execution team will take care of all the shipment execution. We were the ones they selected, and over the last 3 years, the business has tripled in size, and our team has been managing the entire growth journey, and the company has been focusing on business development, whereas our team takes care of the entire logistics and shipment execution. And a recent review found that they have saved, because of the pay-as-you-go model, online system, and experienced team at their disposal, 61% or more in their total cost is the annual savings they've achieved.
That is really impressive. That is really impressive. So I can understand that. They're paying as per the volumes go up and down. So that's really good. So if our viewers or any of the exporters are interested in knowing more about this, what do they do?
Well, just call us, drop us an email, or just look up us on this website, impexstocks.com.au. We'll be happy to help. We're really looking forward to working with the exporters in the upcoming grain season.
All right. Manish, thank you for your time. Very insightful. Thank you again.
Thank you, Tejas, for having me on the show.
Speak to you next time.